I don't know when though. Bubba, what is it? But honey, what's this? Can you look at the picture? What is it? A choo-choo! Look at Mama. Do you love it? Yeah. You want us to open it for you? Oh, does it smell like Joe Gibbs? Joe Gibbs.
Where? Good job, dude. You're almost there.
Okay, Ellie, back off.
Good job.
Wow!
Say, get out of here, paper. Get my toys.
I need all this paper out of here. Hey, OCD kid.
Why don't you just pick your train up and move it away from the paper?
Oh.
Oh. Oh. What happens if I do this?
Get out of here. Bubba, would you like it to come out of the box? Yeah. Yeah? Can you say, thank you, Grandma and Grandpa? Good job. Can you blow them a kiss? Can you blow them a kiss? Mwah. Oh, nice, nice boy. All right, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Good job.